Meron na tayong na-mine na 1.37 USDT. Kaya tatry natin itong withdrawin kapag kung nawi-withdraw ba dito yung namamine natin. Ayan. So, ngayon, punta tayo ng withdraw. Pilitin natin to. Ayan, dito may 4 na paraan para pwede natin siyang withdrawin through Tron, Toncoin, ANB, then Litecoin. Then, bawat isa sa kanila, meron silang kanya-kanya na transaction fee. Itong Tron is 54 USDT. Yung sa Toncoin naman is 0.35 USDT, BNB 0.18 USDT, then Litecoin is 0.32 USDT yung kanilang mga fees. So, ngayon gusto kong Litecoin. So, pindutin natin itong Litecoin. Dito, yung amount is nasa 1.303670. Then, ang marireceive lang natin is 0.020796 Litecoin. Then, meron siyang fee na 0.20 USDT. So, bawas na siya. Ngayon, magkakopy tayo na wallet address ng Litecoin. So, dadalhin natin siya sa GCash or GCrypto ng GCash. Punta tayo ng GCrypto. Punta lang tayo ng GCash or GCrypto ng GCash. Pindutin lang natin yung view all para mapunta tayo doon sa GCrypto. Ayan yung GCrypto. Pindutin natin. Then dito, pindutin mo lang yung market. Then search mo dito yung Litecoin. Ayan yung LTC or Litecoin. So, ang isang Litecoin ay nagkakahalaga ng 3,587.87 pesos. Ayan. So, pindutin natin yan. Then, pindutin natin yung receive para makuha natin yung wallet address. Ito yung kanyang QR code. Pwede mo siyang screenshot. And then, yung sa wallet address naman, ay pwede mo na siyang pindutin itong blue dito para makopy na siya. Ayan. So, nakopy na natin ang wallet address. So, back to CoreX na tayo. Ayan. So, try natin ditong i-paste yung wallet address. Ayan. So, nakopy na natin or na-paste na natin yung wallet address ng Litecoin na galing sa GCrypto. So, try natin pinutin itong confirm. Sabi dito, dear user, we are glad that you have familiarized yourself with the project and accumulated an amount sufficient for withdrawal. The capacity you receive as a gift is provided only for familiarization with the work of the project. You cannot make withdrawals with it. Only users who have purchased capacity or have an active referral can make withdrawals. After purchasing capacity, even for the minimum amount, you will immediately be able to make a withdrawal. The speed and balance we currently have will remain with you after purchasing capacity. The message here means that you cannot withdraw what you mined unless you buy USDT here or you have a referral who has purchased before you can make a withdrawal. Ayun. So, not recommended itong CoreX kasi kailangan mo palang bumili dito. Kailangan mo bumili ng USDT dito para mabilis siyang magkapag-mine. So, kailangan mo ditong bumili but hindi ko siya nire-recommend na dapat bumili. So, kahit pala mayroon kang invite dito, ay wala rin. Hindi ka pa rin makapag-withdraw. You can withdraw but you must need to purchase either you or your referral, but depends on how much you purchase here before you can withdraw.